Are the CPCs expected to be much higher for call ads as compared to expanded text ads? Yes. See, call ads are the most expensive ads, and the reason being is that call ads are the best converting ads as well. I'm talking about lead generation and not e-com or e-commerce. Because here's why. So you, let's say, have a form on your website, which someone comes to your landing page or to your website, they fill it up with their name, email, phone number, or whatever information which you are asking from that visitor. Then you need to obviously get in touch with that person, and quite often you will find that you will need to try 3, 4, 5 times before you can reach that person. Sometimes they are not available, sometimes they are busy. It could be any number of reasons that you can't reach them. Whereas with the call ads, the person has called your business, they're interested in talking to somebody about your product or service. Now the ball is in your court to convert them. And that is why I would say call ads are one of the most powerful ways to generate more leads and sales for your business, because someone is on the phone to you and it's up to you how you convert them. So although they may be expensive compared to the expanded text ads or any other kind of text ads, the conversion rate from the lead to the sale will be a lot higher if your closing is good and you've got a good sales team to convert those calls into